So today, this is an unexpected flood that happened today. As you can see right here, this is a flood, and the entire hotel is like ruined. Electricity's out and power's out too, here in Florida. So here it is. Here's the flood. It flooded really, really bad. I just can't say this. This is huge. The entire hotel is just flooded and damaged right now. This is terrible right now. Right now, this is just all swamp. All of this is just flooded. I can't even like explain the damage it created. All of here, this was all ground. Now it's just full of water down here, which is crazy to think about that. Here I am, right here. I'm just trying to keep dry right now because this is just terrible flood right here. This is horrible. I can't believe it actually flooded here at the hotel. I mean, this never happens here in Florida. This part of the hotel is flooded too. It's just full of water. I can't believe this either. It's like, I can't believe there's actually a flood happening here. Right here, this is all flood water. It's terrible. Right here, this isn't a flood area. As you can see, behind the bushes is just flood. This is bad. Really, really, really bad. Right here, this is all damaged. It's just destroyed. So right now, I'm just like heading up the staircase to my hotel room. Yeah, it flooded crazy outside. All the way down there. Everything's just flooded, destroyed. Right over there, if you can see, that's all water. That's all land. And I'm not risking going in there because there might be gators or alligators down there, which I'm not risking it for myself.